If you're watching this video, then you probably have a phone, in which case I've got 7 apps that you can use to make some quick and easy money daily. Now look, there are hundreds of websites that claim to pay you for filling out surveys only for you to waste several hours without getting a single penny. So based on the reviews, blog posts, and Reddit, I found that these were the best and most legitimate apps with steady and stable pay. And some of these are coming from reputable companies like Amazon, while most are legally registered entities in the US. And I've got real-world examples of people making even $200 per day, so if you have a bit of free time, you can definitely make some extra cash with these side hustles. DScout is a research app that allows companies to get unfiltered feedback on their products and services from real users. Some of the top brands in the world that DScout works with include Lenovo, Spotify, Google, and Uber. What separates DScout from other survey platforms is all the mission types that they offer. You can work diary missions, quick surveys, and even live interviews. For example, they could ask you to try out a different browser for 2 weeks and give feedback on your usage, or they could do live interviews asking you about a certain product or service. The longer the mission, the higher the pay. And some studies can pay you between $20 and $230 depending on the duration and complexity of the questions. Now Reddit users report making even up to $2,000 per month with this. And these high amounts actually check out because the app has a 4.2 out of 5 rating on the App Store, and a lot of blogs praise it as a high-paying, although semi-inconsistent source of easy income. Anybody who has a phone and is comfortable speaking to a camera qualifies to be a scouter, and you can sign up on their website today for free. Based on all the evidence and the reviews, I give this app a 3 out of 5 on the money scale. Unbabel provides AI-powered translations to companies in more than 20 languages worldwide. But these translations aren't always perfect, which is why they need actual people like you and me to correct them from time to time. You see, Unbabel runs a software to do the preliminary work on a translation, and the company pays between $8 and $18 an hour to correct mistakes and humanize these translations. So assuming you speak at least 2 different languages, all you have to do is sign up, take a language test, and if you pass, you're eligible to start earning money. Based on other people's experiences, the review process can take around 24 hours, and on average you can expect around 2-3 jobs per month. The app has a 4 out of 5 rating on Google Play, and based on Reddit, there are people who made over $1,000 in 9 months with quick English to Spanish translations. On Glassdoor, a platform for anonymous reviews on employers, users are praising it as a fun and flexible platform, which is why I give this a 3 out of 5 on the money scale. Probably the fastest way to make almost instant money today is by using investment apps that give you free stocks for signing up and depositing your first dollars. In fact, should you choose not to deposit a single dollar, Moomoo will still give you 1 free stock with 0 commission simply for signing up. If you do deposit $100 or $1,000, you can get between 5 and 15 free stocks valued up to $2,000. And these are not just low-grade penny stocks. We're talking about companies like Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. Plus, they have some great features like trading commission-free, and there are absolutely no platform costs involved. Moomoo is rated a 4.6 out of 5 on the App Store, and users have reported switching from platforms such as Robinhood to this exact app. Hey, I mean, nothing beats instant money, so this is a 4 out of 5 on the money scale. AppFlame is a play and earn platform which connects users to new mobile gaming apps where you can earn between 200 and 1,000 in-app coins per minute of play. By earning around 9,000 coins, you can redeem your first dollar from PayPal or convert it into gift cards. Now, people are reporting to earn around $7 for an average of 2 hours per day of gameplay, so if you play around 5 days per week, you can earn about $35 on a weekly basis. Now, is that some life-changing money? No, of course not, but again, we're talking about money earned during your free time here, and you're actually playing games. The app has a 4.4 rating on the Google Play Store with over 10 million downloads, and there are multiple blog posts giving objective feedback on the pros and cons of the app, so all in all, this is a 3 out of 5 on the money scale. QMee is a free browser add-on and mobile app where you can get paid for taking surveys and earning cashbacks on products from hundreds of stores. Most surveys are about 15 to 20 minutes long, and users have reported earning up to $5 in 3 days simply by taking 1 survey per day. Some users have even reported earning $40 per month, and these amounts actually are legit because the site has a 4.5 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot and is rated a very respectable 4.6 out of 5 on the App Store. Again, like with most of these, all you have to do is sign up, answer a few simple questions about yourself, and you can get started right away. Based on all the reviews, research, and evidence, I give QMee a 3.5 out of 5 on the money scale. So video surveys are becoming more and more popular in digital marketing because instead of answering generic checkbox questions, respondents humans can provide more complex feedback through their phone cameras. Companies can more accurately measure user sentiment this way, which is why a lot of brands in tech, entertainment, and healthcare are opting for services like Mindswarms and DScout. You see, Mindswarms, much like DScout, offers a video survey opportunity to users who get matched with a company based on their interests. Mindswarms get paid by the brands they partner with, and that's how they pay you in return. All you have to do is sign up, answer a few questions about yourself, and upload a 60-second video about your interests and passions so Mindswarms can accurately match your profile with brand surveys. After signing up, you'll be notified of any survey opportunities directly on your phone. Mindswarms will pay you $50 for each 10-question survey that you complete, and payment is sent via PayPal within 24 hours. Now keep in mind that while pay is higher than other survey-taking platforms, there simply aren't as many opportunities for surveys available. However, based on user feedback, it is a legit company that actually pays reliably and therefore qualifies as a very good side hustle. I'd rate Mindswarms a 4 out of 5 on the money scale. So Amazon has an app called Shopper Panel, which lets you earn a minimum of $10 per month, which then goes into your Amazon account balance. All you have to do is upload 10 receipts of purchases outside of Amazon.com on a monthly basis and you're good to go. And if you complete some short surveys and enable ad sharing, you could earn even more than that. And by the way, the surveys take up to 20 to 30 seconds tops. Now, seeing as this is coming from a reputable business like Amazon, it's no surprise that reviews are on the positive side and that users are reporting steady, although slow inflow of cash per month. But hey, I mean, this involves nothing more than uploading receipts and answering questions for 30 seconds, so this gets a 3 out of 5 on the money scale. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, please, if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more content like this. Appreciate every single one of you watching. Hope you have a wonderful rest of the day or night, and I'll catch you on the next one.